Hi guys, welcome to Scarlet Follow. Today we are going to discuss about one most interesting concept, that is spam Instagram. So suppose if you want to send bulk of message to your friend, you can do very easy through Python program. If you are not subscribed this channel, please subscribe and like this video. First of all, you have to install in your machine two things. One is code editor for writing the code, means Visual Studio, Notepad, PyCharm, whatever you want, and Python. So how to know in your machine Python install or not? You simply type from keyboard Windows R. After that, you write CMD and press OK button. You see here command prompt open. After that, you write here Python space dash dash version. After that, you press enter. You see here pin Python 3.8.1, means in my machine Python install 3.8.1. See in my desktop I create one folder, that is Python. After inside Python folder I create project. Inside project folder one text file is there, that is random. So I cut this one. After that I open Visual Studio for writing the code. You see I open Visual Studio Code. After that I open the project folder. So open folder, project, select folder. You see in my machine this project folder open. You see I create one text file inside project folder, that is here some dummy text is there, means random text. So I cut this one. After that I create one file, that is spamp spam.py and press enter. After that you have to install in your machine one package, that is PyAutoGUI, means you write here in terminal pip install PyAutoGUI AUTOGUI, and after that you press enter. Then must be required for installing the package. So you see here showing requirement already satisfied. Requirement already satisfied means in my machine already installed PyAutoGUI, so that's why it is showing requirement already satisfied. In your machine PyAutoGUI not installed, you simply write in terminal pip install PyAutoGUI. After that you press enter. It is taken 2-3 seconds install in your machine. So now I going to writing the code. So here I writing the code. First I import here PyAutoGUI. After that I import time, and after that I write here time dot sleep. So I want to sleep 3 seconds, so that's why I write 3. After that I write with, and I want to open this file, this random file, so that's why I write here open inside bracket, inside double quote. I want to define this random text file path, so I right click here. After that I copy path and here I paste. After that I change this slash. Okay, you see I change this slash. After that I write here HP. After you write PyAutoGUI dot type write, inside function symbol you write p dot read, means you see here I write open with open inside bracket I define the path, means this file path. So I open this file and I define HP, means it is p is denoted the file. So here I p dot read, means p dot read means I want to read all the text, so that's why I write p dot read. After that I type, so that's why I write PyAutoGUI dot type write. After that you press enter, write PyAutoGUI dot press press inside bracket you write enter, means here I import PyAutoGUI package. After that I import time module. time dot sleep inside bracket I write 3. It is hold the 3 second, after 3 second send message. So after 3 second I open the file and here I read the file. After that I write. After writing I press enter. After that I save this program and run this program. You see my program is running and here I open the Instagram, and after that you see the text is right here, and after that it will send, means in message box far right from here to here. After that you see here I press the enter, so that's why the text is starting from here. So it will, after sending message, again writing from here to here. After that I press the enter, so that's why this one is sent. It is very easy concept, spam Instagram. So if you learn something from this video, please like, share and subscribe this channel. If you have any doubt, comment below. Thank you watching this video.